You brush, you floss, you even use mouthwash every night, but your teeth still look yellow? You're not alone. And here's the good news, nature has your back. Today I'll reveal 7 everyday foods that dentists secretly love, because they help whiten your teeth naturally, safely, and without chemicals or expensive treatments. Ready to smile brighter? Let's go! These juicy red berries are packed with malic acid, a natural astringent that removes surface stains on your teeth. Just mash a few strawberries, apply to your teeth for 2 minutes, rinse, and boom, natural shine. Bonus, they taste and smell amazing. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme used in whitening toothpaste to break down plaque and dissolve stains. A slice a day could brighten your smile and your mood. Crunchy carrots do double duty. They stimulate saliva, which washes away food particles, and their fiber scrubs your enamel like a natural toothbrush. Nature's snack, nature's cleaner. Apples are loaded with malic acid and fiber, a powerful stain-fighting combo. As you chew, they clean your teeth and boost saliva, both essential for a whiter smile. An apple a day may brighten more than just your doctor's mood. Cheese, especially aged types like cheddar or Parmesan, is full of calcium and casein, which help remineralize enamel and strengthen your teeth. Plus, cheese helps balance your mouth's pH, making it harder for stains to stick. Raw broccoli? Surprisingly powerful. Its fiber scrubs your teeth as you chew, and it contains iron, which forms a protective barrier over your enamel, guarding against acid attacks. Water might be basic, but it's your mouth's best friend. It rinses away acids, sugars, and debris before they can damage your teeth. Especially after coffee or soda, drink water to protect your smile. Bonus tip 1. Don't brush right after eating acidic foods. Wait 30 minutes. Your enamel needs time to recover. Bonus tip 2. Use a soft bristle toothbrush and brush in gentle circles, not back and forth. These 7 foods can brighten your smile, and they're probably already in your kitchen. Want more natural oral health tips that actually work? Hit that like button, subscribe to Healthy Teeth TV, and comment below. Which food are you going to try first?